Hi everyone. So today I'll explain you the development tool installation process, which is the priority one. So this development tool we are going to use for developing the APIs, and after develop the APIs we need one application to test the API, is it working or not. So let's start how to do that one. So before that, those who are watching this video newly, kindly complete these 4 videos. Already I upload 4 part of this video. The first part like this installation process, introduction about this product. Second one is installation of API manager. Third one like the default port, how we can modify and how we can configure the new port callback URL with the portals like for accessing dev portal, publisher portal and admin portal. Fourth one is for installation of EI, is also one of the product which is required for uploading our source code to that portal. And from there also I explained few features and configuration about WSO2 EI. In upcoming videos also we will learn each product features one step by step each video, so you can able to easily understand how the product features, like what is the features about API manager, what is the features about EI. So we will learn one separate video, so it will helpful for you in future like for building any APIs. So let's start how to configure and install the development tool. So if you scroll down, they already attached all the link, like depends on your OS, you can download that one. So as this series I'm using Windows, so I need to download this zip file, and its size is 1.17 GB. okay, it have all the source code and product related configuration, so no need to manually import any jar file to start the product. So I already download this zip file, and this is after extracting this product, you will get this folder. Okay, if you open this one, these all are like this default product configuration folder. So you need to open this integration studio. Okay, this one, just double click this one, you will get this kind of interface. It's like as they clearly mentioned in their official Git directory also, Git website, this is the latest version of this product, means this development product. So let's start to start this product and configure few features, and I'll explain you few features, then we can start like the next step, like what we can do for developing APIs. So now it is asking one workspace, so it depends on you where you want to use this workspace for accessing this product. So for development activity, already I using this WSO2 project. Let me select this one, then launch. So if you don't want to ask this option again, you can use this default option. So let me choose this one and launch. Now it is asking your defender. Those who know already using Windows, they have like one defender firewall, allow access. So after selecting and launch that one, you will get this kind of interface. Okay. So after starting of this product, it will give you like what kind of template you want to use. So you just click this second option. If you see right side corner, right, there is one ESP graphical is there, WSO2. Click that one, so you will get this kind of interface. Okay, let me go through file, integration project. Okay, so we need to use this option, integration project, to build an API. So project name, I'll tell you, it depends on you what project name you want to use, demo, and you need to click next. So here let me use com dot so beyond doubt. This is my group ID I need to use, and the version I need to use only 1.0.0. It depends on you what version you want to use. Okay, you need to click finish. Okay, after finish this one, so here you can see, right, So this is like we are using for exporting any car file. As I mentioned, while accessing EI portal, we are using one car, we are uploading one car file, right? So if you right click this one, there is one export composite application project is there. If you export this project, you will get one .car file extension. So in upcoming videos, while I'm building APIs, right, I'll show you like these features, more features about this product, so you'll get some more idea. Then the second one, it's a ESB. So here you could see on src main synapse config, right? So usually while we are developing any APIs, we are using this folder. If you are creating any, adding any endpoints, we need to use this folder. If any inbound point, we need to use this folder. Some main folders I will explain you. And one sequence folder we are using for building any sequence file, as I mentioned in the previous video, right? Those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through this part 4, okay? I will also add in I button, so you can click that one. So this part 4 you will learn like few folder structures, so you will get to know like what all options we are using, and the same option in the source code itself we are adding here. Second, this one also I explained in the part 4 of the video, template. There is one EI, while you are using this part, means watching this part 4, right? You will know like there is one option is there, templates. In template also we are adding a template XML file, which is used for accessing that template file resource. Like we are creating one template here, and that template we are accessing in our APIs. We'll learn step by step process, so don't worry about this one. So if you export, there is one demo composite, right? So it's like as I mentioned, while we are developing any APIs, by default all folders, so it will store here as an artifact. So that artifact we are selecting, like while building any car file. So artifact will decide like what all source code you want to use for that composite application. Okay, it's some overview as I explained. Like if you already have one source code or car file, so direct upload in EI. There is one import, like if you have already one project, so how to import that one? There is one import option is here, right? You can simply import your source code here, and you can debug whatever you want to change. And if you want to change this workspace, like you have already currently running this product one workspace, right? If you want to use that one, then you can simply change your workspace path also. And if you want to restart of this product, if in case this product is not stable and you are unable to build your API, then simply restart and try that option. And other feature also will explain one by one while building any APIs. I think it will more flexible to understand that one. I hope everyone have now aware about like this product. It's some basic understanding. So the more about these features we'll learn while building APIs. Okay. So this is for development of this API tool. So second one, as I mentioned, after develop any API, how we will test. So we need one testing tool, right? So Postman is a testing tool which will help us to test our API. So you just click if you are using Windows, just download this Windows, download this file again. So this download process already started also. Let me skip this part, maybe it will make you bored. So okay, this download already completed. So let me show you, 1 minute. Let me double click this one again. Let's see, is it I hope it will work now. Yeah, so now you could see, right, it's started initializing the Postman. Just wait for few seconds, it will take few seconds only for initializing of this product. So here you could see, right, it's asking to sign up for free. Okay, so usually like for safer side, if you want to store or secure your own data without losing, then you can simply sign in this one. So you will get your product like instead of losing any data. So it depends on you want to use for signing, or don't want to use that one. So usually this is like one application we want to use for our testing activity. So I think this is for testing purpose, and this integration studio we are using for building our own APIs. So for this video, this much only. So those who are watching this video, kindly and really think like it will helpful for them, so kindly subscribe this channel and share and like my videos, so it will motivate me to upload more videos in upcoming in future. So thank you so much for watching my video.